Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a traditional Italian biscotti recipe with an Indian twist. This is very tasty and famous that we get from Costco. So let's see how to make in our house with whatever is available. So let's get into the video and see how to make this.
To start with, take 2/3 cup of grated jaggery or jaggery powder in a large mixing bowl. Now add 1/4 cup of oil to this and give a good mix until oil and jaggery mixes well. Add 2 eggs that are at room temperature. See that always the eggs are at room temperature. And give a good mix until the eggs, jaggery and oil combines well. Jaggery that we added is loaded with antioxidants and minerals which help prevent free radicals responsible for early aging. It acts as a detox as it helps cleanse the liver, flushing out toxins from the body. It is better in comparison to white sugar, which simply adds extra calories to the human body. Moreover, it is unrefined. Now take a sieve and add 1 cup of whole wheat flour to this sieve and 2/3 cups of almond flour, 2 spoons of baking powder, 1/4 spoon of baking soda. Now sieve all these dry ingredients into the wet ingredients to create good aeration in our batter. Here we substituted all-purpose flour with whole wheat flour, and this whole wheat flour is rich in vitamins along with riboflavin and folate. It has more iron, calcium and other minerals than the white flour. When you are eating a low calorie diet, it's important that the calories you are consuming are loaded with as many nutrients as possible. Now give it a gentle mix to form the batter. Here our batter is ready and it will be very thick like this because we used wheat flour and almond flour. Here I am peeling 1 cup of soaked almonds and chop them into fine pieces like this. Always soak nuts before eating to break down the phytic acid to be absorbed properly, and soaking neutralizes the enzyme inhibitors and helps in proper digestion. Now add all these chopped almonds to the batter and give it a good mix. Now transfer our prepared batter to the loaf pan like this. As the batter is very thick, it needs little time to spread evenly like this. As now our batter is spread evenly, now it is ready to go into the oven that is preheated at 350 Fahrenheit and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. It took me around 25 minutes for me to bake this. After 25 minutes, check if the cake is baked by running a knife in the center, and if the knife comes out clean, then it is baked. Check for baking time because oven to oven temperature varies. Here our cake is baked well. So now let's try removing this butter paper. You got a good color at the bottom side also, so it is baked very well on both the sides and we can see a crust here, so it is very well baked. So be very careful while slicing the cake because we need good long pieces for our biscotti. Almond flour that we used in our recipe is ideal alternative for a gluten-free low carb diet, and this flour is high in proteins, vitamin E and monosaturated fats. This is also low in carbs and contains high amounts of fiber. As we made all healthy substitutions, making our snack healthy and delicious, this is an ideal snack for kids to enjoy. So please definitely try this recipe. Once we got all the slices in perfect shape, take a baking tray and spread little amount of oil and grease it like this. Now transfer all these slices onto the greased baking tray After all the slices are arranged like this tray is ready to go into the oven that is preheated at 350 degrees and bake once again for about 10 to 12 minutes. And in case if your slices are thick, it may take around 15 to 18 minutes also. After 12 minutes, our biscottis are well done. So I switched off the oven and took out the biscottis out of the oven. Now transfer those onto the cooling rack like this and allow them to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. They will be little soft on hot, but our biscotti will become hardened when they are cooled. So here our biscotti are ready with the beautiful texture and color. Now I'm just giving a final touch of decoration to look attractive for the kids. So I melted a dark chocolate with a spoon or 2 spoons of milk and trying to decorate like this. As I prefer kids to enjoy homemade snacks rather than packed ones, because the same biscotti which we get from the grocery store contains all-purpose flour and refined sugar, which is not good for health. So with few substitutions like all-purpose flour with either with the whole wheat flour or almond flour and sugar with the jaggery or any sugar substitute that you like, we are making it in a healthier version of the same which we get from the store. All we need here is little patience and passion to cook. So friends, our healthy high protein snack for kids is ready to enjoy without any guilt. So please do try this recipe and comment how it turned out. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.